Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel where I, Paige, have a question. What do you do when you're feeling too stressed out to write? Right now I'm about 5,000 words behind on NaNoWriMo and it is stressful. I keep writing and then I overthink it and then I look at my word count and I realize it's not enough and I need to take a moment to step away and to de-stress. And how I normally do that is I load up some songs on my computer and I do computer karaoke, where I just sing a bunch, especially if I'm home alone, just sing really loud, don't really care if it sounds good or not. And that is a really great way for me to just take a moment and exhale. I know other people will dance around their house, go for a walk. That is a fairly normal one. They're all normal. What am I saying? I've also taken a break before and just baked a bunch of cookies, which is a very Hufflepuff thing to do. Whatever you need to do to step away for a few minutes, take a deep breath, and dive back into your story. I encourage you to find the space to do that today. And I am wishing you the best of luck with NaNoWriMo. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone!